astrology and astronomy, though sharing a common foundation in the observation of celestial bodies, represent fundamentally different approaches to understanding the universe. While astronomy is a rigorous scientific discipline dedicated to the study of celestial objects and phenomena, astrology is a belief system that interprets the positions and movements of these objects as influencing human affairs. This essay delves into the historical origins, methodologies, philosophical underpinnings, and contemporary relevance of both fields, highlighting their intersections and divergences. Historical context and origins. The origins of astrology and astronomy are deeply intertwined, as both emerged from humanity's early attempts to comprehend the cosmos. Astronomy, as a scientific discipline, can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as the Babylonians, Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese. The earliest astronomical observations involved the systematic recording of celestial events, such as the cycles of the moon and the movements of planets. The Babylonians, for instance, developed the concept of a celestial sphere and created detailed star catalogs. Ancient Greek astronomers like Claudius Ptolemy further advanced the field with his geocentric model of the universe, which remained influential until the Copernican revolution in the 16th century. Astrology, on the other hand, emerged from these early astronomical observations, but took a different path. Ancient civilizations, including the Babylonians, Egyptians, and Greeks, practiced astrology as a way of interpreting celestial events as omens or influences on human affairs. The Greeks, particularly under the influence of figures like Ptolemy and Hipparchus, formalized astrological practices, connecting the positions of celestial bodies with human traits and destinies. Astrology was deeply integrated into the cultural and political life of these civilizations, with astrologers advising rulers and individuals based on celestial interpretations. Over time, astronomy and astrology began to diverge, as the former evolved into a scientific discipline focused on empirical evidence and theoretical models, while astrology remained a belief system rooted in symbolic interpretations of the heavens. This split became more pronounced during the Renaissance, when the scientific revolution fostered a clearer distinction between the empirical study of the universe and the interpretive practices of astrology. Philosophical foundations. Astronomy is grounded in the principles of empirical observation, measurement, and theoretical modeling. It relies on the scientific method to gather data, formulate hypotheses, and test theories through experimentation and observation. The field encompasses a wide range of subdisciplines, including observational astronomy, which uses telescopes and other instruments to study celestial objects, and theoretical astronomy, which involves mathematical models and simulations to understand cosmic phenomena. Astronomy's philosophical foundation rests on the pursuit of objective knowledge and the understanding of the universe through verifiable evidence. Astrology, by contrast, is based on the belief that the positions and movements of celestial bodies can influence human events and personal characteristics. Its philosophical foundation is rooted in the principle of cosmic correspondence, which posits that the macrocosm, the universe, and the microcosm, the individual, are interconnected. This principle is often summarized by the Hermetic maxim as above, so below, suggesting that celestial patterns reflect and affect earthly experiences. Astrology interprets the positions of the sun, moon, planets, and stars as symbols that can be decoded to reveal insights into human nature and destiny. Unlike astronomy, astrology does not adhere to the scientific method or rely on empirical testing, instead using symbolic language and interpretive frameworks to provide insights. Methodologies and tools. Astronomy employs a variety of methodologies and tools to study the universe. Observational astronomy utilizes telescopes, satellites, and other instruments to collect data on celestial objects, such as stars, planets, galaxies, and cosmic phenomena. These observations are then analyzed using sophisticated software and mathematical models to understand the properties and behaviors of these objects. Theoretical astronomy involves the development of models and simulations to explain observed phenomena and predict future events. This approach is heavily reliant on mathematics and physics, using principles such as gravitational theory and quantum mechanics to construct models of the universe. Astrology uses different methodologies and tools, focusing on the symbolic interpretation of celestial positions. The primary tool in astrology is the natal chart or horoscope, which maps the positions of the sun, moon, and planets at a specific time and location. Astrologers create these charts using astronomical data, but their focus is on interpreting the symbolic significance of the celestial positions rather than conducting empirical analysis. Astrological interpretations are based on a system of signs, houses, and aspects, each representing different facets of human experience. The zodiac, a circle divided into 12 signs, serves as a framework for understanding personality traits and life events. Astrologers also use various techniques, such as transits and progressions, to make predictions and provide insights. While both astrology and astronomy involve the observation of celestial bodies, their methodologies differ significantly. Astronomy is a scientific discipline that relies on data collection, mathematical modeling, and empirical testing, while astrology is a belief system that interprets celestial patterns symbolically. Applications and practical uses. Astronomy has a wide range of practical applications, extending beyond the realm of scientific research. The field contributes to our understanding of fundamental processes in the universe, such as the formation of stars and galaxies, the behavior of black holes, and the dynamics of planetary systems. This knowledge has practical implications for technology and innovation, as astronomical techniques and instruments have applications in fields such as telecommunications, navigation, and space exploration. For example, technologies developed for space telescopes and satellites have led to advancements in imaging and communication technologies on Earth. Astrology, while not scientifically validated, remains popular for its applications in personal guidance and self-reflection. People consult astrologers for insights into their personality, relationships, and life events based on their natal charts. Astrology is often used for predictive purposes, offering guidance on potential future outcomes and timing for important decisions. It is also employed in various cultural and social contexts, such as horoscopes in newspapers and magazines, and astrological consultations for personal and professional advice. Despite its lack of scientific backing, astrology continues to be valued by many for its symbolic and introspective qualities. Both astronomy and astrology have practical uses, though they serve different purposes. Astronomy contributes to scientific knowledge and technological advancements, while astrology provides personal insights and guidance based on symbolic interpretations. Criticism and controversy. Astronomy, as a scientific discipline, is subject to rigorous scrutiny and peer review. The scientific method ensures that theories and models are tested against empirical evidence and revised based on new data. However, astronomy is not without its controversies, particularly when it intersects with philosophical and existential questions. Debates about the nature of the universe, the existence of extraterrestrial life, and the implications of cosmic discoveries often provoke philosophical and ethical discussions. Astrology faces significant criticism from the scientific community, primarily due to its lack of empirical evidence and methodological rigor. Critics argue that astrology lacks a scientific basis and that its predictions are no more accurate than chance. The symbolic nature of astrological interpretations, combined with the reliance on anecdotal evidence, has led many scientists to dismiss astrology as pseudoscience. Despite this, astrology remains popular among those who find value in its symbolic insights and personal reflections. The controversy surrounding astrology highlights the broader debate between scientific and belief-based approaches to understanding the world. While astronomy operates within the framework of empirical science, astrology remains outside this framework, relying on symbolic interpretations and personal belief. Integration and complementarity. While astronomy and astrology are distinct in their methodologies and philosophical foundations, they share a common historical origin and some overlapping elements. Both fields involve the observation of celestial bodies and have influenced each other throughout history. For instance, the development of astrological charts required astronomical observations, and early astronomers often had astrological interests. In contemporary practice, some individuals integrate elements of astrology with their understanding of astronomy, using astronomical data to create astrological charts, or to explore the symbolic connections between celestial events and personal experiences. This integration reflects a desire to bridge the gap between scientific and symbolic interpretations of the cosmos. Despite their differences, astronomy and astrology both contribute to our fascination with the universe and our quest for meaning. Astronomy provides a scientific understanding of cosmic phenomena, while astrology offers symbolic insights into human experience. Together, they represent two approaches to exploring the connections between the cosmos and our lives. Conclusion. Astrology and astronomy represent two distinct approaches to understanding the cosmos, each with its own historical roots, methodologies, and philosophical foundations. Astronomy, as a scientific discipline, relies on empirical evidence and theoretical models to explore the universe and its phenomena. It contributes to our understanding of fundamental processes and has practical applications in technology and innovation. Astrology, by contrast, is a belief system that interprets celestial patterns symbolically, offering insights into personality, relationships, and life events. Despite its lack of scientific validation, astrology remains popular for its symbolic and introspective qualities. The divergence between astronomy and astrology highlights the broader tension between scientific inquiry and belief-based approaches. While astronomy operates within the framework of empirical science, astrology remains outside this framework, relying on symbolic interpretations and personal belief. Both fields, however, reflect humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos and our quest to understand our place within it. By exploring their intersections and differences, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diverse ways in which we seek to connect with the universe and ourselves.